Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2021 LDV G10, stock number 6097. It's ran from 04-2015 to the current shape. It has a SV7A 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an 8-speed automatic transmission. This is a SV7A 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight. Left front 16-inch factory automatic tyre. Left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear sliding door no dents, left rear 16-inch factory automatic tyre, rear tailgate no dents, right rear 16-inch factory automatic tyre, right rear sliding door no dents, right front headlight, right front door mirror, right front door card, right front master switch, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen set nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sunvisor, right front sunvisor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,